Hey, this is James from TemptedCreations, and today I will be showing you how to properly, well, anyway, not properly, how to take apart your controller. First you're gonna need a screwdriver, like a Torx T8 screwdriver. That's the correct one to use and everything. As you can see, it's this is it and everything. And yeah, like Home Depot for like $5 or something. That comes with even extra ones that you can use. But anyways, there are 7 screws. Well, not including the D-pad ones. 7. Hold on. Alright, yeah. There's the 3 on the side, and then there's the one. There's usually a sticker right there, but I already took apart this controller and put it back together several times because this is my practice controller. There's the one right there. You gotta take the tape off and everything. And there it is. So, you just gotta take the screwdriver off. Well, I usually do them really tight. Hold on. When you're done with that, what you're trying to do, I usually go like this from bottom and everything. Just take it and pull it apart. I do it like this because you don't want all the buttons falling out or whatever. So you got this part, the shell, then you got all this, the chip. Usually I'll have here's the other chip, you can see those 2 things, they're the vibrators. I took them out because it makes it so much lighter. If you want a vibration, then don't take them out, but if you do, thumbsticks, controller, and like this, you have this thing, which you need, or else your controller will not work, so keep them safe. Then the Xbox button, all that stuff. D-pad, I don't know why, there's little tiny screws, I don't know if you can see them, like here and here. I'm not gonna take them out. I'll show you what it looks like, but yeah, then all the buttons and everything. And that's really your controller. So what you will end up with is this. Oh, yes, and the bumper. So, yeah. And let me just place them all. And this is what you, well, plus the vibrators. This is what you end up with. Your buttons, everything like that. Like that. Put it back over there. To take out these things, there's a, flip it. See, that right there, these fit into it. Hold on. If you look closely, you can see it. It's really hard to get back in. That's why I advise not to take them. Fuck. Yeah, I advise not to take them out. But you can. It's just I can't really do it right now. Here, let me just try this in the video. Yeah, you gotta squeeze them or whatever. They're one of those squeezing. The triggers are probably the most annoying. I'd say it just hurts really. I'm not even gonna do it. What you have to do is you gotta pull back on that and that. Pull back. Then first you wanna go like that. You wanna take that little thing out. So, no. Detaches from that. And really, you just want to see if I can even get the thing out. Yep. Pull on those things. Got like a screwdriver or something. There's a spring, you gotta keep the spring and just take them out. And that's really how you take apart your controller. Do the same thing on the other trigger. and that's really it. So I guess I'll show you guys how to put it back together.